Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic relationship between different scales of temperature. There are three different scales of temperature, that is Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. In Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius, that is the temperature at which the pure ice melts is considered to be 0 degrees Celsius. And the upper fixed point, the temperature at which water starts boil, that is 100 degrees Celsius. So upper fixed point in Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius. And the difference between the two extreme points, that is 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius, is divided into 100 equal parts. Now the second scale is Fahrenheit. The lower fixed point of Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit, that is the temperature at which the pure ice melts. And the upper fixed point of this scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit, that is the temperature at which pure water starts boil, that is liquid changes into vapor. And the difference between the two extreme points is divided into 180 equal divisions, that is 212 minus 32, which is equal to 180 equal divisions. Third scale is Kelvin, Lord Kelvin. In Kelvin scale, the lower fixed point, that is the temperature at which the pure ice melts, is taken to be 273 Kelvin, and the upper fixed point at which the water starts boil is taken to be 373 Kelvin, and the interval between these two points is divided into 100 equal divisions. Now, how would you establish the relation between these three scales, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin? So one formula is C minus, that is C stands for the Celsius, minus lower fixed point divided by upper fixed point is Celsius scale minus lower fixed point, which is equal to Fahrenheit, that is F minus lower fixed point, that is 0 degree 32 degree Fahrenheit, upper fixed point minus lower fixed point, which is equal to K stands for Kelvin minus lower fixed point divided by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. So here in Celsius scale, C minus lower fixed point in Celsius scale is 0 divided by upper fixed point in Celsius scale is 100. So 100 minus 0, which is equal to F minus the lower fixed point in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So here we write F minus 32 divided by upper fixed point in Fahrenheit 212 degree Fahrenheit minus lower fixed point 32 degree Fahrenheit. Third is the Kelvin, K minus lower fixed point, that is 273 Kelvin divided by upper fixed point, that is 373 minus 273. Now C minus 0, that is C, divided by 100 minus 0, that is 100, which is equal to F minus 32 divided by 212 minus 32, which is equal to 180, which is equal to K minus 273 divided by 373 minus 273 is equal to 100, that is 100 equal divisions, 180 equal divisions, 100 equal divisions. Now in this equation is divided by 20 in each. So 100 divided by 20, that is C by 5, F minus 32 divided by 9, which is equal to K minus 273 by 5. Now if you establish the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. How do you establish the relation? So here we in the square you see C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. So here C divided. So here in this equation C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. This is the one relation. Now how do you establish the relation between Celsius and Kelvin? So here you see C by 5 which is equal to K minus 273 divided by 5. So here we are write C by 5 which is equal to K minus 273 divided by 5. So 5 cancel. So C is equal to K minus 273. Now how do you establish the relation between Kelvin and Celsius? If here we take the K is equal to C, and when it is go to the left side, then K is equal to C plus 273. So how many relations are there? One relation is C is equal to 5 by 9 under bracket F minus 32. Second relation is C is equal to K minus 273. And third relation is K is equal to C plus 273. Thank you.